Breaking news tonight, the defense in the impeachment trial of suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has just rested its case.
KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz joins us live from Austin. He is part of our team of experts on the bench and is live tonight in Austin. Mario.
Keith, this happened in the last 25 minutes. You had Tony Busby there after the defense presented their witness step up to the podium in front of the entire Senate gallery and say, Attorney General Ken Paxton rests. So their side has come to its conclusion. So what does this mean now? Well, according to the Senate rules, there is 60 minutes of evidence rebuttal for the two sides and then 60 minutes of closing arguments from both sides. So we're looking at about 4 hours here before the judge in this case, Dan Patrick, Lieutenant Governor, starts to charge the jury and send them into deliberation. So what did we see today? This was the only day that the defense presented its case, meaning they brought witnesses up to testify on behalf of the Attorney General, Ken Paxton. Mainly, they focused in on discrediting the whistleblowers that testified for the prosecution. So they brought up current employees of the Attorney General's office to talk about their operations. It did get testy at one point between the two sides when the prosecution asked the defense witness about how they handled the cases of the whistleblowers and ultimately their termination. Take a listen.
Let's start over. You're the head of HR, right?
Now, yes.
You know that they went to FBI on September 30th, right?
I have received information that they did. I have no reason to disbelieve that.
You also know on October 1st, the whistleblowers notified HR and the AG Paxton of the FBI report, correct?
Yes, I believe it was the first.
The next day, Mark Penley and David Maxwell were placed on administrative leave.
That's correct.
On October 13th, David Maxwell made his formal complaint against Ken Paxton.
I'm not aware of exactly when he did. Formal complaints go to the formal complaint officer, so if you say it was the 13th. But
you spent a lot of time telling us about David Maxwell. You reviewed all the file. You're telling me you don't know when David Maxwell made his formal complaint?
I don't have personal knowledge of that because formal complaints go to the formal complaint officer. They don't go to HR.
Well, we can assume by the fact that your lawyer hasn't stood up and objected that that's the day he made his formal complaint, okay?
No reason to disbelieve that.
And multiple experts that I've spoken to about this testimony said that was a powerful moment today, and to score that one for the prosecution. We look behind me there, that's the Senate chamber. You have a whole bunch of senators who just a few minutes ago were smiling much more, showing a lot more energy, high-fiving one another because they have gotten to the end of the testimony in this trial. We are now awaiting the rebuttal of evidence, closing arguments, and then they will get to work. They will deliberate to decide the fate of the suspended Attorney General of Texas. Live in Austin, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 investigates.
Thank you for that.